So my last video, I told you about the camera and how it got water in it and it's broken and that's it, it's all over. But the camera's back working again, which is, yeah, amazing. So we're back on. It looks like I'm going to be keeping on going with the footage, but we'll have to see how long that's going to last for. Since that video I did, that was done in the morning. I didn't fish that day because the wind blew up, so I didn't go out fishing. And now it's today, and we have just come through a big storm which hit. Woohoo! Yeah, the hurricane's definitely here. Ah, fuck my hand. The hurricane's definitely here. Holy shit. Look at that. I didn't really have any idea that it was actually coming in. We haven't had internet or any mode of communication to the outside for about 3 days now. That should have been a warning sign to me, really, that something was going on. But yeah, I just got told the evening of that there's a hurricane coming. So last night it hit. Lots of rain, lots of thunder. Damn, I love storms. Woohoo! Crazy. Alright, we better get out of this. It's good to see it. It's what we're here for. We're here for the storms, here for that storm season. The blue water's still out there, so that combined with all this rain which we're getting, it should turn something even, which was on before, even hopefully better. So yeah, here's fingers crossed that this footage works, and when I go back to the computer and edit it, it's not all crackly. But hopefully we're on the path to continue fishing and continue chasing our goals. Anyway, let's see. Tomorrow morning I'll be back into it again. It's actually come really well that this storm hit, because I really do need to let my beaten up body heal a bit. I copped that hit to the hip when I was on the rocks the other day. Hold your feet. And then obviously the old hand hook on the hand. Unbelievable. But hopefully by tomorrow I'll be a lot more on the mend and yeah, feeling a lot more refreshed. The water is a crazy colour right now. I don't know if you can see that, it's quite brown, but then you can see on the horizon that clear blue line. Maybe I should be fishing right now. Nah. Anyway, tomorrow morning, I'll see you then. Let's continue it.